Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and this sign right here has completely elevated my home office. I am seriously obsessed with it. I think we can all agree that a good neon sign is so cool in a room, and I love that I was able to customize this to what I was looking for my home office. The font selection was great, the color selection was great. There's like so many unique ways to customize your own personal sign. Having something with my own name on it is just so cool, and I love the color payoff. It is amazing. It will easily light up my entire room. It's a very easy wall plug to use, and they also have options with remotes, so you don't even have to worry about plugging it in or not. I like that you could still see the font even when the lights are turned off. The color payoff is great. The installation was super easy. It looks incredible. It looks so cool. So cool. I can't say enough good things about it. I just love this product so very much. So if you're looking for a sign for special occasions or for your home or for whatever it is you're looking for, some sort of neon sign, I highly recommend you check out this brand. They did an amazing job on this product, and that is my point of view.